And what is the role of venture capital and private equity? Very important role, because yields in India are dropping, right? So you can no longer plan to deliver long-term investment objectives purely by investing in interest-based securities. You need to buy equity-based risk. And that's what private equity in other countries has done. It has compensated for the drop in yields, right? So there is a structural demand for venture capital and private equity that is coming through investment portfolios. Initially, what we are seeing that some people think of venture capital and private equity as gambling money. But that is not sustainable, because actually private equity and venture capital do not deliver gambling type returns, right? They are not, then they shouldn't be seen as a fringe allocation. They should be seen as a core allocation. So invest in sophisticated economies or in economies around the world, allocation to venture capital and private equity is now core to investment portfolios, because you only earn 1 or 2% on treasuries, right? Right? So you have to buy more risk to get your whatever, 8, 10, 12% returns. People are living longer, right? So they need to plan for a longer life. There was a time when the average life expectancy and the average retirement age was at the same level, right? Today, most people live for decades beyond their retirement age. So old age planning is even more important, but yields are dropping. So how do you plan to maintain lifestyles while you're no longer as productive as you used to be? That is essentially what venture capital and private equity can deliver, which is deliver and compensate for dropping yields in one's investment portfolio